Hello guys. Here I expose an idea that most of the beginners they don't understand, even those who are intermediate. So I try to explain, at least you get a clear idea. High like profits, high risks. What does it mean? It means if you go to a stock that it is volatile, it means it goes so quick, so fast, up or down, and understand that you can make a lot of money from it, but you can lose a lot of money. So, and there are some stocks that are slow. What does it mean slow? It means they don't go that much. For example, you find a stock that it is $50, in a day it goes 25 cents, 50 cents, 45 cents, 10 cents a day. So it means this stock, although it is big, but it doesn't move that much. Now, what do you expect if you trade this stock? Okay? Here you have less risk, so your profit is less because you can't make a lot of money from a stock that it is slow, except when you stay like 6 months, 1 year or 2, and you are right in the direction of the stock. Okay, that's why you see a lot of people, they go to forex, which is currency pairs, they go to options, they go to futures. Why these people, a lot of people, they go there and they try to trade? Okay, because there are a lot of money to make there, but the problem is that you should risk and you should have money. If you have, for example, let's say $5,000 and you open a futures account, you buy futures like E-mini, S&P 500, or whatever is the contract that you buy. Understand that in a day it can go 1,000, 2,000 in a day. So if you can't bear to lose 1,000 or 2, you can't. How can you do futures? That's why you find those people who are capitalized, they have a lot of money, they have bigger accounts, they go to this futures, options, and they can resist and they can make money if they have a lot of money. Now, if you have little money, if for example you open let's say a future account, and a day you lose 1,000 or 2,000, you just lose it. You do day trade because understand that futures, it goes up very quick and down very quick, so you can lose a lot of money. Now, if you do 2 or 3 trades, your money is gone. That's why a lot of people who go to options, calls and puts, who goes to forex, and who goes to futures, they lose their money so quick. But brokers, they know this, and they try to attract them, and they say, okay, just come with 1,000, 2,000, just open an account. You will make a lot of money because you see here, this currency pair, the dollar against as we have seen in last week, with the election week, when the pesos go down and the dollar go up. So if you buy the dollar, you will make a lot of money, but if you buy pesos, it will go down and you lose a lot of money. Okay? Other people, they go to penny stocks. Why do they go to penny stocks? Because they can make a lot of money. The problem is that if you don't know how to trade, if you don't know how to make too much risk, you will never make it. That's why in one trade or two, they can wipe out your account, 2,000, 3,000, 5,000, because these penny stocks are volatile and you can lose a lot. That's why beginners, they don't understand how risky are some stocks. They don't understand. And when they lose a big chunk of their money, they lose a lot of money, they wipe out their account in 1 year, 6 months, 1 year, most of the beginners, they lose like this because they are following a risky vehicle of investment, like penny stocks, like forex, currency pairs, like options, like futures contract. They are so risky. But if you succeed in those, you can make a lot of money with little money, if you succeed. But if you are just average or beginner, they will take your money as easy as, as drinking water, as they say. Your money will be gone. Okay, because in forex, which is currency pairs, or options, or future contracts, you don't own nothing. You own just the value of value. If it goes up, you make money. If it goes down, you lose money. But you can lose too much. That's why, if you are a beginner, this is my suggestion or my opinion. I don't give advice. This is not an advice. Try to stay with slower stocks that you see they don't go that much. Try to train yourself there for 1 year or two. When you are good, you can go to more volatile stocks and faster stocks with more risk. Okay? So thank you very much for watching, and see you next video.